I hope you are doing great. So quickly today I would like to share with you guys how you can actually identify the male catfish from the female catfish. I know some of you don't know that you can actually do that yourself. So from this video you can see from the abdomen, from the belly side, you would see that there are two openings, one for the anus and the other for the genital. So this is actually a male catfish. So how do you identify this? You can see how elongated and narrow its genital looks like. So anytime you check the below your fish and you see that its genital is as elongated as and narrow like this, you should know that it is a male catfish. So I'm sorry for not bringing out a female catfish. I was unable to pick one from the pond. They were so aggressive. So for the female catfish, it also has two openings, one for the anus and the other for the genital. But for the female catfish, its genital are always rounded in shape, and it's majorly used for spawning. So in case you check your fish and you see that its genital is not as elongated as this, but rounded in shape, you should know that it's a female catfish. And another features you can use to identify your male fish from your female catfish is actually the size of their head. So when you examine the size of the head of your fish, you would notice that there are some fishes that their head is larger than the other. So when you see a fish that its head is actually larger than the others, you should know that it's a male catfish. So male catfish are always larger in head. Their head is always bigger than the female catfish. So in case you check your pond and you see that there are some fishes that their head is larger than the others, you don't have to panic. Those are male catfish. So their head can be uniform in shape. So that's about that. There are so many features you can actually use to identify your male from a female catfish, but we just actually drop these two features due to our time here. So that's about that for today. If you love what you're seeing, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're on YouTube, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're on Facebook, kindly like our Facebook page. If you're on Twitter, kindly follow us on Twitter. So thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy the rest of your day.